Hello guys, very unfortunately someone messaged me and told me that there was an individual on a Chinese kind of like YouTube-like site. It's very similar. He posts videos and such. He's basically stealing my videos, dubbing them, and claiming that he is the creator of them. Not only that, the worst part is that this individual is selling them. So the first few episodes he offers free access, and then he offers, or rather charges, money for the remainder of the series. I am assuming this individual speaks English because they dubbed all of my videos, so if you are watching this and you are that individual, you are a parasite, and I hope you find something better to do with your time. So what can be done about this? Well, actually I'm not entirely sure. I could make an account on this website and post my own videos myself, however this is primarily for Chinese people as far as I understand, and I'm not a Chinese speaker. So first, I want to thank the gentleman who reached out to me and told me about this. I appreciate it a lot. If there are any of you in my community who speak Chinese and you want to upload my videos anywhere on the internet for free, please go for it. And if you know anybody at all who gets affected by this and ends up paying for this when it's offered for free here, please tell them and redirect them somewhere else. And like I said, if any of you ever want to upload my videos anywhere on the internet for free, you have my permission. Go ahead. I don't care where the videos end up. I don't care who reposts it or where it is. You can post it anywhere you want. The only thing that boils my blood about this specific individual is that they're posting this content, pretending they made it, and then they're charging for it when I made this for free. Anyway, I will not drag this out any more than it needs to be. In the future, going forward, if you watch my videos in the Elden Ring series, you may see a watermark of some sort there, or maybe a pop-up message to just notify people, because if they are snagging my video, then I'm just going to start putting stuff over the top of it, just so anybody who happens to be actually paying for this, unfortunately, can see that it is offered for free somewhere else. Just wanted to let you all know, thank you very much for checking in, and I will see you tomorrow on the next episode of the series.